Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you up.
Hi, my loves. Come with me to go do my monthly maintenance slash beauty shopping. I'm literally walking to go get the bus. I need to start driving. Like, I could literally drive for that. It looks older.
Sunshine on a cold morning. Hit me like a mudslide when I get horny. It hit my face like pillow fight, girl, I feel sporty. Got me on the backside cause I've been naughty. The truth the most and I can't believe it. When you take my hand then you go and leave it like put my heart down one and it won't let go. Cause it make more sense just to let you know that it's nobody do it like you, baby. But all I got from love is I don't wanna hurt you, and I don't wanna hurt you, and I don't wanna hit my face like sunshine on a cold morning. Hit me like a baseline one. The truth the most, and I can't believe it. When you take my hand and you go and leave it like put my heart down one and it won't let go. Cause it make more sense just to let you know that it's
I'm so tired now. Look, it's literally dark outside and I look bald, but I have hair. I am so tired. It's literally been the whole day. Quite literally.